Bells Overseas, the sound of your future.
Hello everyone, this side Pankhudi from Bells. So today I am going to give you a prediction of your exam that is on 3rd September 2022. So first I will be talking about reading. See, reading will be between easy to moderate. It can be your two passages will be moderate and one easy, or two easy, one moderate. Do practice sentence completion, list of headings, MCQs and true false not given. There are high chances that you will get to see these kinds of questions or these types in your reading. Talking about general, you have to follow the same pattern, that is sentence completion, list of headings and MCQs. Now, moving towards next, that is listening. Listening will be very easy. It doesn't mean कि बहुत ज़्यादा easy हो जाएगी कि बिल्कुल ध्यान से सुन ना पाए, बहुत आप ध्यान से सुन पाओगे. But listening will be between easy to moderate. There are high chances that you will get the listening very easy. It will contain MCQs, map and one word. So practice these questions thoroughly. Coming towards next is your writing. In writing task 1, academic students will be mostly seeing a process diagram, or you can say pie chart, bar graph. And in general, there are high chances that you will be seeing formal letter. Talking about task 2, you will get discussion essay or agree disagree essay. So be prepared. All the best for those who are planning to give their paper on 3rd September. Thank you.
Business or call us for visa services. Follow us on our social handles for offers and new updates.